Hi guys, my name is Jung. Today we talk about Huawei MateBook E is the latest convertible to come out of Huawei's stables with support for 4G LTE connectivity. The MateBook E 2019 is powered by the Snapdragon 850 and comes with a ton of features in a sleek 2-in-1 form factor, such as support for fast charging, 4x4 MIMO multi-antenna technology, Huawei Share support for faster file transmission, and fingerprint sensor, among others. The new member of Huawei's MateBook series packs a touch-sensitive 2K IPS display with blue light filtering support and dual-speaker system with Dolby Atmos on board for better audio output. Huawei MateBook E 2019 price. Availability. Huawei MateBook E 2019 has been launched in China, but there is no word from the company when the new convertible will make it to other markets. The Huawei MateBook E 2019 has been listed on Tmall in China carrying a price tag of Kny 3,999, around Rs. 31,000 for the base variant with 256 GB of internal storage. There is also a higher-end version of the Huawei MateBook E 2019 which comes with 512 GB of internal storage, and it is priced at Kny 4,999, roughly Rs. 51,000. Both the devices are now up for pre-order in China. As for the color options, it comes in titanium ash and charm sea blue variants. Huawei MateBook E 2019 specifications feature as Huawei MateBook E 2019 an upgraded version of the original MateBook E launched back in 2017 comes equipped with a 12-inch 2K 2160x1440 pixels IPS display with 160 degrees viewing angle, 350 nits peak brightness, and a layer of anti-fingerprint coating on top. The display comes with 2 Rhineland Low Blu-ray certification, which means it can cut down on blue light exposure and reduce eye fatigue. The new Huawei offering is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 paired with 8 GB of RAM and the Adreno 630 GPU to handle graphics-intensive tasks. The storage capacity varies between 256 GB and 512 GB of off storage. In the imaging department, the Huawei MateBook E 2019 offers a 13-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera. The device also has support for a stylus, the Huawei M Pen, which can distinguish between 2048 levels of pressure. However, the stylus must be purchased separately. The battery capacity is rated at 36.3 Wh, with Huawei claiming that the new MateBook series member can last up to 10 hours on continuous Full HD video playback. There is support for fast charging as well, which allows the battery to go from 0-88% in just around 90 minutes. The Huawei MateBook E 2019 comes with a single USB Type-C port for charging and file transfer, a nano SIM card slot for facilitating 4G LTE connectivity, a 3.5mm headphone jack. Wireless connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11/B/G/N/AC, with support for 5G HZ2X2 MIMO standard. The device has support for gigabit LTE speeds, and also comes with Huawei Share compatibility for fast file transmission. Huawei MateBook E 2019 laptop. Huawei MateBook E 2019 laptop. Key specs: news display size 12.00-inch display resolution 2160x1440 pixels touchscreen yes processor Snapdragon RAM 8 tvOS Windows 10 hard disk 256 GB. For more gadgets news, stay tuned with us.